It is then mixed with the pigment that gives it that radiant green color. The pigment is weighed and the adequate amount is poured into the container. The product is then transferred to an extruder machine. In the extruder machine, the mixture of color pigment and the LLDPE are heated. This heating process ends up in these thin green long strands that we see here. These noodles, as they seem, will then be put onto a cooling bath to cool them off. They are then transferred into cutters, where they'll be cut into granules. The granules are then transferred into a polarizer machine. The granules will then be crushed into powder, which will be added to a tank mold. This is a tank mold. This mold is what is used to form the shape of the tanks. The powder is added into the hollow mold. Now we are getting closer to seeing our tank. The weight of the powder put into the mold is dependent on the product's size and weight. The mold is closed and taken into baking for between 15 and 17 minutes. After these 15 to 17 minutes, the process of demolding begins. Now we have an actual water tank. Works like magic. From powder to a water tank. The tank is removed from the mold and left to cool for 15 to 20 minutes. The addition of accessories and branding of the tank takes place next. This is then followed by the final quality check. Then our tanks are ready for dispatch. Something else that is made at Flowtech is pipes. Pipes and more pipes. Pipes made out of PVC are very rigid and can withstand high temperatures of liquids, and they do not promote chemical reactions with other substances. Raw materials are transferred from the storage to the preparation department. Polyvinyl chloride and other additives are added together. The mixture is mixed at a specific temperature at the mixing department. The final mixture is called a composition. Colorants are added here to make the mixture a specific color. The mixture then goes through a silo and then an extruder. In the extruder, the powder slowly heats up to the temperature of plasticization. This is where the pipe is formed. The pipes then go through cooling. Rigorous quality control tests are conducted, such as methylene chloride tests. Fracture toughness tests are also done here. All products go through final individual quality checks before departure to the various stores.